pancakes.
We're all hard at work. Well, except for me, people. I'm holding the camera. It requires effort. Bloody great. Second last day for Katrina. It's very sad. She's very happy to go. Actually. We've come a long way. Well, probably not actually, people. But look at this damn tarp. I put this up last night and not a drop of rain. Rain just dropped over there, about half a kilometre. A good lot of rain. We could have filled our tanks. So we're the constant worry of not having the tanks full. Well, not even half full, but anyway. We don't know. I don't even know how full they are. But we've got hopefully enough for 7 more days. So we're gonna go 15 mile that way to drop her off. And I guess we'll be back. We might go over to the east, San Blas, new islands. Harder islands, much more rocky at Anchorage Island. Anyway, I'm gonna have to pack up this tarp. Thank you, God. A little more rain next time. It rained just up there in the river, as you know. You might have seen that from the other video, but that was cool. Made this huge noise before I arrived. It's amazing. I've got a story about that. I've got a story about hearing a storm come before it actually hits. This is cool. I was on an island and I had one of those, portable gazebos that you that you can move around. You can put them like they're aluminium frame and they've got this shade cloth on them, and you can just pick them up and move them around, so you can put them in the water and then you can lie underneath and you're not going to get burnt. We had one of those. I was camping on a little island about 70 miles off the coast of Queensland. Nothing on the island at all, just a tent. I bought a tent previously for $5 at a garage sale, but it had no windows in it whatsoever. No windows. And so when we got there, I was with my partner at the time, and it was just too hot, so I cut these big circles in the side of it just to have some air. And in the middle of the night, we camped right on the beach and had the gazebo right in front, and in the middle of the night I heard this. I was getting louder and louder. I stuck my head out through the window, and next thing I know, I see the gazebo just go flying almost straight up, and then just disappeared behind me. And then because I had my head at the window, the wind went past me and ballooned the tent, and it peeled around me, and the tent just ripped. It was almost like, those fake clothing you can rip off people. This tent was fake tent, and it ripped around me and just got thrown into the bush, and I was just left on a bit of the canvas in the bottom, and my partner was just sitting there. Everything was trashed in camp. Tent was in the bushes, lost the gazebo. Is that breakfast? Breakfast is ready. Anyway, do you like that story? Anyway, it was funny times. Then we didn't have a tent anymore. Someone's happy about the pancakes. I'm happy about leaving. You haven't gone yet.
Oh.
Still have to behave. Still got a few more episodes to do.
I always behave.
You do, yeah, you are. Every so often I say something and it's slightly provocative, but she holds her tongue. I can see it. She's ready to pounce. I reckon if it was her boat, it would have been a different story, people. She's lovely and charming and very smart and witty. She's lovely and charming and very smart and witty.
You have to.
Oh no! The jam! Oh, far out, I better get into it quick. Look what knife they gave me, people.
Steffi was like, she took 3 knives.
Look at this knife. This is my knife.
Oh, just give it to Peter.
The rusty, this is actually the coconut knife to get the coconut flesh out of it. It's just terrible. Ready to go sailing?
Aye.
Alright, who's on front?
Aye.
Alright, let's go! Katrina! Keep going!
Keep going! Where?
Alright, you're gonna have to feed up the reefing lines. The red and green lights. Feed it down, down. Push it down. That's it. Alright. Get a winch on it. Okay, it's the red one. Is that the red one that's tight? You gotta feed the red one through. It's on the other side. Is it jammed? Keep going. Harder! Alright, a little bit of winching. Alright, that'll do it. Okay, get the vang on. Okay, anchor. Look at the determination. Look at that. What's happening? Something wrong? Maybe Katrina was sitting on the line.
No?
Yeah, no, you're not sitting now, but you got up. Here it comes. Katrina's bottom was to blame.
It's to blame for many things.
Is it? Okay. Just leave it at that, people. Well, I don't know if I told you, but Gigi's bottom was worshipped on this boat. And it wasn't because you think.
What?
Because she used to sit in the bean bags,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And leave a nice divot. And when it had rained at night, I had morning face washing water. Thank you, Gigi. It's the perfect size bottom for my morning exercises with my face washing routine. I don't know why I said it like that. I couldn't think of anything, people. All right, how's it going? How's it looking?
How's it looking? I don't see the locals actually.
I think the other line, the other sheet's no good. The other side.
Yeah.
Well done, girls.
There was lightning. Lightning? Yeah.
If there's lightning,
It's rain.
here I am, Lord. Only been struck twice.
Only twice.
Oh, you can't really see where you're going, can you?
No.
All right, well, look at the compass. So far, I think you're doing excellent. So look at the compass
Yes.
and
Okay.
go by that. Ah, feel the serenity, people. The wind's at 135, well, maybe 110. We've got a storm over there with lightning.
Peter, your head is in the way.
It's never in the way, it's beautiful. I thought you were looking at me.
No.
Oh, you were looking at your reference point.
Oh.
Oh, baby.
What? That's
Come on, God, you're missing, you're slipping. I'm over here and the lightning's, what, 2 kilometres that way? Come on. Lift your game, mate.
And you asked God to strike you.
Those just jokes, God, remember? A sense of humour, you know, remember? Oh, baby. Tell us about privacy on the boat. This is interesting, people. She just said it, but she'll say it again maybe, with a bit of coaxing. Tell us about the privacy on the boat. I thought there was none, but here we go.
But there's way more privacy than I do have at home.
Really?
In the boat, yeah.
Why?
I'm sharing my room with my 2 brothers, so we have one room with the 3 of us.
In bunk beds?
Yeah, we have 3 beds.
Really?
I don't know,
One on
stacked up
top of
together.
the other.
Where are you?
Yeah.
Are you in the middle?
Yeah.
Wow.
We actually, yeah, we're good at like
you
the
were
oldest
born.
one is the biggest one, then
Really?
the sandwich child, and then the
Oh.
smallest.
Shivers, so you like never had your own privacy?
No, never.
Really?
So for me, it's here. I can sit somewhere and no one is passing by me. That's just hilarious. It's
Yeah.
just so much privacy here.
Do you regard this as a private boat?
No, not at all.
Not at all, is it? There you go.
I'm like at least like a few hours a day. I'm like trying to find a spot where I can be alone in my corner, just like.
She does disappear. Her lover is internet. If you got internet, she disappears. She hides in the anchor locker. in the dinghy, on the solar panels out the back where I can't see her. Sometimes I found her wrapped up in the boom bag, because that was a novel one. I mean, she's texting, doing all this stuff. Yeah, there's not much privacy on the boat, but I'm glad that Steffi feels there is, because she really doesn't have anything. She lives on the couch, and I have to walk past her, like when I'm, you know, visiting the little boys' room at night. Sometimes she subconsciously moves out of my way, which is good. Otherwise, I have to do the dance over her arms and legs and listen to her snore. And always makes me smile when I hear you snore. Did you know you snore?
Yeah, I know. People keep telling me.
Do your brothers go, hey? They kick your
no, they
younger
snore
brother?
way more than I do.
Really?
Yeah.
All together.
I sometimes have to turn them in the bed.
Really?
Because they snore so loud, but they don't recognize it. It's like
Really?
in the morning, they say, I did snore? No, I didn't recognize that.
Wow. So why are we adjusting the sail?
Because we adjusted our course to
That's
the,
right,
to
to
the right.
windward. Yep.
I think it's good.
Okay, good. All right, lock that off. Steffi, you agree? You happy?
Yeah, I'm happy with it.
Excellent. Excellent. Top stuff.
Well done.
Well done.
Yeah, thanks to Lisa, I won this boat basically. So
That's right.
Thank you.
Lisa and Katrina
sending
chatted,
love and kisses.
and she said, "Oh yeah, choose Katrina. She's a good one." She said she did actually say that.
Yeah.
Oh, she's good. Because she had a very pretty smile, and she was very pleasant, and she used to insult me in such a delightful way. People go, "Oh, she's so cute." She used to say "coot."
Cute?
Yeah,
Oh, like
cute? Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Which was cute
Yeah.
in itself. Why do I need to behave for the next crew? Or why? What will happen if I don't behave? Oh, Jesus. No, nothing but quality.
Oh, it's just advice for your own, well, more for the new cruise.
Yeah. More for the new
Sanity.
cruise?
Yeah. for
Oh,
the
sanity.
new- Yeah.
So they won't jump off the boat and
Yeah.
think I'm a madman?
Yes.
Well, that's what Lisa said. Okay. Let's hear it.
What not to say to future crew?
What not to say.
Yes.
I thought all the stuff I say is beautiful.
Number 1, don't call them big.
Don't call them big.
Yes, you can call them strong or sporty.
But she's big.
I'm not big.
Oh, okay. But you got big arms. You got
Yes.
bigger arms than me.
Peter, shush.
Stay
I'm sorry.
focused.
I'm already not paying attention to the advice. Okay, I'm listening. Don't call anyone big.
Yes. Number 2, don't interrupt.
Oh,
Okay,
well,
number
that's gonna
3.
be a hard one.
Number 3. Don't follow up a compliment to a crewmate with a criticism of another.
It's yin and yang, people. You know, yin and yang.
You
It's the way it's done.
You don't have to compare crewmates.
I'm not comparing. It's just that sometimes one crew is much better than the other, and I'm just giving the example so they learn.
Nice, Peter.
I'm sorry. I'm just trying to justify it. Okay, carry on.
Don't call crewmates princesses. Number 46. Don't comment on how much crewmates eat.
They do eat a lot though. It's just-
Don't say crewmate is not like other girls, because girls are awesome.
Oh, I agree. Girls are awesome, but okay, I'm shutting up.
But when you say a compliment and say a but, that completely
Really?
makes
Yeah.
the whole point of a compliment disappear.
Really?
Yeah, it does. Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Good one, Steffi. Yeah.
Who would have thought, people? I hope everyone's paying attention. You know, 96% of my audience are males. Maybe this is why we've gone wrong for so many years, so many centuries.
Don't compare crewmate to dog.
To a dog.
Yes.
I said it was a nice dog, and I said they had really nice hair. This dog was a lovely dog with nice hair. That's not a good one?
No, it's not
Okay.
wrong.
Was it? What about Lassie? Everyone loves Lassie. Or Old
Yeah.
Yeller. Old Yeller. But people go, oh, she's comparing me to Old Yeller. That's unreal. Okay,
That's not the point.
so don't.
Besides the point.
No dog comparisons
No
with females.
dog comparisons. Number 73.
Number 73, people. I've got to get a new battery, a new SD card, probably a new computer and a new hard drive.
Don't tell crewmate that she has fat ankles.
I think I might have said that once, and it was about something else, wasn't it? It wasn't about you guys, was it?
Might be about other people, but still.
Okay, go.
And don't compare crewmate to monkey.
Okay.
Well, yeah.
Even if it's a cute monkey? Which one did I compare? Which one of you did I compare to a monkey?
That's also besides the point.
Okay, go on. Do you notice that some of the comments have coincided with Lisa's comments, people? Just like an old dog, maybe you can't teach an old caveman new tricks. Okay, criticisms aside, what do you like about me? What's a likable quality?
Pineapples.
Pineapples!
Pineapples.
That's your quality.
That's my admirable quality.
That's your
is it?
admirable quality. Pineapples.
Do we have any others to make me feel good this morning?
Making us smoothies out of pineapples. That was very nice.
Is there anything that doesn't concern pineapples that adds to my likableness?
Nah.
Who's asking you, mate? There's our destination, a little bit to the left. Coming up next week, we've got a whole heap of shenanigans where Katrina becomes me and I become her.
This looks to me like there's strong wind coming.
How did you know that, all-seeing wise person of the sea? Did you read it in the clouds?
Oh no, I just checked it on Windy.
This is terrible, people.
Terrible.
Steph's shaking her head going,
You should hang your head in shame, Peter. Hang your head in shame.
hey, does anyone want to see my nuts?
Far out.
Far out indeed. What does far out mean? This isn't the Western Channel. Let me alive! Jesus Christ! I could train monkeys!
People. What? Oh, I can't get any internet here. Katrina, you're gonna have to climb that tree and give me a hotspot.
Right on, Captain!
Higher, Katrina, higher. Higher. Get it higher.
And Steph and I have our very first fight. Anata no many wa tofu.
Top stuff. Good job. Well done. Far out. Nothing but quality.